Welcome to me pulling Prismatic Evolution boosters out of this binder box that I got from a shop at the mall. Yeah, this is Gary Grindset. Like and subscribe to make sure we keep these things off the streets by pulling them and seeing what's inside. So obviously the big dog, well I guess the big cat in this case, or whatever you want to call it, it's Umbreon. This thing is basically the Mona Lisa of Prismatic Evolution. You find yourself a PSA 10, you're up $3,000. And let me say that again for anybody scrolling right now. Yeah, $3,000. That's only if you can find one. The odds are pulling them, well, let's just say they're slim, but I've gambled on worse odds and come out alive. So what we're going to do today is rip these packs and see if our retirement is in here. Oh my god, look at those prices. If I pull this Umbreon, it's steak dinners for a month. And if I don't, I'm probably going to eat ramen until I save up for my next pack and actually pull one, because I'm the luckiest man alive. Now, Umbreon may be the headliner, but let's not sleep on the supporting cast. We got Alt-Art from Sylveon, gorgeous. I'm talking like put in a frame. So let's see what's in the first one. Yank it up there. Ooh, it's stuck. What do we got? Garbage. 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 What is this? Oh my god, I thought this was supposed to be... Oh, what's that? Garbage. Okay. This was like worth $5. Not bad. We got a Slowpoke with some hollow of Groudon, which is pretty much garbage. Oof. Alright. Well, I guess we spent $100. We made 5 so far. Great return on investment so far. Yeah, really good idea doing this as a living instead of getting a job like my mom told me to. Alright, pack number 2. We got more garbage on the way. Wow. You know, I was on a Whatnot stream the other day, and the guy pulled 160 packs without finding anything good. We've actually already beaten him by pulling that first little hollow, but we might be able to catch up if we keep opening packs. Can we just talk about Eevee for a second? That little fox rabbit dog thingy is like the Harry Styles of Pokemon. It's always evolving, it's always trendy, everybody's got a favorite. Umbreon's like the moody little goth girl, Sylveon's the pastel influencer, and Espeon's like the friend who's way too into astrology. Eevee's just like that one kid in high school who could do everything. Sports, music, debate team, you name it. And now it's out here ruining the trading card game world like it owns the place. Oh, nice Flareon. But let's be real, Eevee is a genius. It's the only Pokemon whose entire career plan is literally just, I got options. Can't decide what you want to be, just evolve into anything. Corporate ladder, freelance artist, doesn't matter. Eevee's got you covered. Alright, let's yank another one out and see what we got. Pinsir, one of my favorite guys. I feel like I could beat Pinsir in hand-to-hand combat. Regigigas, definitely not the case. Ooh, Treasure Tracker, $8. And actually very pretty. I also slept on that little Amaris back there, which is worth another $5. So, yeah, so far not a really great return on what we're doing here, but let's see if that changes with pack number 5. And listen, let's be real. The beauty of these packs is not just what's in them. It's the thrill of not knowing. Are we going to pull something legendary? Are we going to make our month off one card? Or are we going to walk away with 6 Caterpies and a broken dream? That's the dream. That's what I'm here for. That's what Gary Grindset's all about. Ooh, look, hollow Jolteon. Hollow Fluttermane. Come on, Mane. I'm Fluttermane. Anyway, this is what we got out of our little binder book, plus a nice binder, which side loads instead of top loads. I don't know if they're all doing that now, but I'm definitely a fan. I'm going to fill up my book with all the cool hollows I got. Here they are one more time. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that content. Drop a like, follow. You know what to do. You're on YouTube. You do this stuff all the time. Ooh, Drag Oak. Okie dokie. See you later. Ooh, that knot towel actually does kind of look nice on second look. Catch some bugs. Groudon. Brrr.